It's August the 21st, and this is your Pacific Palisades Real Estate Market Update. I'm James Respondek with Rodeo Realty, and I've sold hundreds of homes to generations of Palisadians. Here is this week's important market activity. There are 288 listings. 224 of those are land listings, and 64 are existing homes. Now, in the land listings, that's a +6 on the land, -2, okay, from last week. There are 200 properties that have sold since the fire. 168 of those are land listings. That was 7 this week. And 32 are existing homes, and that's 4 this week. 42 are in escrow. 7 of those extras are now land, and 1 is an existing home. By the way, the average price per square foot of the land that is sold since the fire, $277 per square foot. Let's go to the alphabet streets. There are 24 active listings, 8 are in escrow, 44 have sold. The average price, $288 per square foot. And just listed, 1042 Kagawa Street, a 6,800 square foot lot. That's a great size lot. Is listed for $2.3 or $338 a foot. Little on the pricey side, but a nice lot. And it seems like prices are stabilizing. Okay, so we'll see. 947 Iliff is just listed. That is 6,500 square foot lot, so the standard larger lot at $1.8 or $276 a foot. Nice price on that one. Let's go up to the alphabet streets. 18 active listings. 8 have sold, 1 in escrow. The average price on those are $300 a square foot. And just listed, 15309 McKendree Street. Sorry about that. Wow, only 5,000 square foot lot. I beg your pardon. My mistake. This is actually an existing home. So that's the home was 1,300 square feet and the lot's 5,000, and it's listed for, wow, $1.3 million. Crazy. Let's go to the Via Bluffs. Now, in the land listings, there are 28 active listings right now. 24 have sold, 6 are in escrow, and just listed 15531 Bowden Street, and that is a 6,000 square foot house with, lot listed at $1.9 million or $310 a square foot. In the Huntington land listings, 11 listings right now, 20 have sold since the fire, 1 in escrow. The average price, $433 a foot. And just listed, 856 Toyopa, a little over 8,000 square foot lot for $3.5 or $435 a foot. So it's right there in the trading range. And just went into escrow, 745 Toyopa, an 8,000 square footer. It was asking $3.5. Be nice to see what that closes at. Let's go to the Rustic Canyon in the home section. Just sold, I should say, 747, like that number, 747 Brooktree. That had been on the market for a bit, but it just sold, and it looks like it sold for $3.5 million. So nice little entry level there in Rustic Canyon. Let's go to the El Medio Bluffs land listings. 12 active listings right now. 12 have closed since the fire. 2 are in escrow. The average price per square foot on the solds there, just over $300. And just sold 15921 Asilomar, a little over 9,000 square foot lot. Sold for $5,125,000 or $579. You're probably going, why is that so much money? Well, you know, Asilomar is the front row street there, so doesn't get much better for a view of Santa Monica Bay all the way across to Catalina and the Hawaiian Islands. Anyway, just listed 563 Taquitos. is a 6,850 square foot lot listed for 1.8 or $263 a foot. Nice price point on that one. And also just listed 415 El Medio. El Medio is a little over 8,000 square foot lot, and that's listed at almost 3.6. Woo! Or $449 a foot. It's a little rich, but it's nice because it's deep down there, so it's, you know, very close to the bluff, so that location's got a little extra plus to it, but I'm not sure it's that much plus. We'll see. Okay, let's go to the Marquez Knolls land listings. 53 active listings here. Wow. 24 have sold, 7 are in escrow, and the average price on those, $198 or almost $200 a square foot. So just sold there, 1166 Lockman. Oh, I almost sold the house right behind it. And so I know this lot. I was looking at, we'd look over it, and this is like out on the front row of Lockman. It's a killer location for views. This is $34,000, but it's not all flat. You know, probably a third or whatever is flat. And it's sold for just over $2.5 million or $73 a foot. So don't worry about the $73 because it's really the gross flat. The flat, not the gross, I should say. Let's go to the Highlands existing homes. So we have 11 listings in the Highlands, 6 have sold, 2 are in escrow, and just listed, this seems like a fabulous buy. I love it. 17433 Camino de Atasto, beautifully redone. And it's listed for $3.2 million. Now it is only 3270 square feet, which is a nice sized home. Don't get me wrong. But still, I love it. I mean, it's $1,000 a foot for a done house behind the gates on a nice sized lot. What's this lot size? 18,500 square feet. I like that value a lot. Let's go to the Highlands land listings. 19 active land listings. 7 have sold, 5 are in escrow, and the average price per square foot on those, wow, $107. I tell you, the Highlands represents a major value, I think. So just sold 16652 Via Pacifica land, sold for $1,550. So $1,550,000, and that came in at $131 a foot. Now that's a nice location, the top end of the summit behind gates, beautiful palm-lined boulevards and stuff as you enter. I like it up there. Let's go to the Castellamar land listings. There are 6 land listings presently. 2 have sold, 3 are in escrow. We're averaging about $250 a foot per square foot for the land up there. And one just went into escrow, 17740 Castellamar. Oh, that's right. I love this one. This was a really wide one. I said was really super wide, double wide lot with amazing views. Not very deep, but listed at $1,550. I like that value. We're going to go now to the Sunset Mesa land listings. 13 active listings presently. 9 have sold. 6 are in escrow. We're averaging $200 a foot per square foot on the land up there right now. And just listed 18151 Kingsport Drive, a 6,500 square foot lot, or 6,550, listed at $299, call it 1.3, and guess what? Right at $198 a foot, so price right on the button there for the averages. And just sold 3534 Shore Heights at 1666668. Very devilish number if you ask me. Anyway, it was 8747 square feet. This had nice views, as I recall. And I like this value, $191 for a big lot with views, $191 a foot. I like it. Sunset Mesa existing house listings. There are only 2 actives up there right now. 2 have sold, 1's in escrow, and just sold 18133 Wakecrest, sold for $2,120. Wow. That's a 21 square foot lot, had a pool, had a little bit of views out the front, had some fire damage, not a lot. I think that's going to be a nice buy for somebody, I really do. And 18254 Coastline Drive. Oh, this house I know very well. This house was amazing. You know, has incredible views, but did need some work. Okay, I won't go into it any more than that. And that sold for $2,975. So on the front row, once that gets fixed up, it's going to be a fabulous buy. Malibu Beach land listings. There are 8 listings presently. 11 have sold, 2 are in escrow. Now, we don't really go by price per square foot. It's really the beach frontage that's important here. And just sold 21500 Pacific Coast Highway. Now that's in La Costa Beach location there. Great location. It's a 40-foot frontage, okay? So that's sold for just over $5 million, $5,050,000. And also just sold 21400 PCH. Also a 40-footer, sold right at the almost same price, $5 million. One day it'll be 50 million and we'll all be going, wow, isn't it right? So anyway, I hope this information has been helpful to you. If you're looking to find your perfect buy, you can tell I know the market like almost nobody. I can find you the best deal possible. And if you're thinking of selling in this market, which is challenging, but also very doable, I know how to navigate those situations. So please call me. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.